What up, YouTube? Bring y'all a little video today of another little project that we got going on Monte Carlo LSX. You know what I'm saying? Stag fit, brush rims, disc brakes, of course LSX. Nice little piece right here. Pretty much been ran all through. You know what I'm saying? Everything really brand new. It's a little dusty right now, but you know, everything new. You just go through them with a towel and wipe everything off of it. New panels, all new suspension, 8 arms, upper, lower, adjustable coilovers, everything. I think y'all seen this in previous videos with the 28s with the davins on it. But the homie decided he was gonna chop him down. And he got 22s for the front and 24s for the back. Nice lipstick. Disc brakes all around, new rear end, everything. Axles, all that shit. Got new quarters because it was cut for the 8s. So y'all new quarters so you can go back down to the regular size wheels. You know what I'm saying? LED tail lights. Everything. I'm gonna let y'all see this one all the way through. This gonna be nice. Did I miss something, bro? Oh, Digi Dash. Nice old seats. Suede headliner. Headers. And all that. This boy right here. Being in the flow. Of course, big monster. Oh yeah, AC driven too. Yeah. It will be a cool car. 4L60, that's what that is?
4L70.
4L70. Yeah. Got them special made. You should see the back one. The back one's so stupid. Yeah. All new everything. What year is it?
82.
82. Money. He got that Euro bumper because he got them LED tail lights. It's different from the regular bumper. I didn't know shit about it till this nigga really said something about it. But if y'all got a Monte Carlo, I'm sure y'all know what I'm talking about. I thought it was all the same till you start showing me all this different shit. But yeah, about to do the quarters on it, so all these big ones might be able to cut them out good. If you cut them out good enough, I might have them for sale. Y'all got a Monte Carlo, y'all want to put some 8s on it. Already got the panels cut out for it. And man, yeah, cut these out nice, man. Somebody might buy these, boy. Cause they were straight too. Had already got the body work done on it. So it's like doubled up on the money. This body was already done. Smooth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all stay tuned for this, man. This thing nice, man. It's apart right now, but it's gonna come together real fast. Just watch. Shave handles. All that so smooth. Yeah. New quarters and new quarters. Got a hood scoop too. Ain't no hood on it right now. Got a hood scoop. Got them headlights, HIDs and everything in them. And of course, Pikachu. This Pikachu right here. Hell yeah, you got it. Doing a little test fit. I gotta drop down lower, get the squat right. Hell yeah.
Gonna go cut the little line out.
Yep. I ain't know what y'all had to go through to do all this cutties to squat these cutlasses, man. Somebody need to tell me more about this. Pretty much we got it though, but you know, if somebody know an easy way, somebody please let me know. I'm going lower than that. Got squat. They look good on there though. Getting it cut up and getting it ready for paint. Y'all stay tuned. Gotta cut it first though. They fitting pretty good. It's only gonna require a little bit of cutting, as y'all can see.